What's going on? This is a stock market recap for Tuesday, May 20th. A little bit of a later video, but still doing it nonetheless. So we just saw an inside bar on the S&P 500 today with a tightening range. Now we've kind of got this 4-hour tightening range kind of possibly playing out here. Actually, if we look at the 1 hour, 1 hour might be more clear. But yeah, we're not seeing a lot of follow through on our breakouts now. So now it's kind of get cautious of a potential rising wedge scenario. This is, yeah, see if we're potential that we're in a rising wedge scenario. But yeah, this is our upper trend line. And I don't know, maybe this will be a bottom. But yeah, when you start seeing follow or breakouts with no follow throughs, that's when you start drawing rising wedges with the upper trend line. Okay, so we are getting pretty extended. Yeah, our daily did hit overbought there. So it is possible we might see daily consolidation here, but everything's constructive consolidation. As long as we're over this, or even this, like this range here, this is all constructive consolidation at this point, and we would just be bull flagging at this point on the daily. We have plenty of room for a higher daily higher low. This was our last daily higher low right down here at 556. We're at 592, so lots of room to play. We're still yeah, the bulls are in complete control at this time. NASDAQ, yeah, inside bar on the day, a little bit closer to consolidating on the daily as well, but same story. We have lots of room. Here's our previous support. As long as if we can keep above this range here is just the best case scenario. But we're looking good on the S&P, or sorry, the NASDAQ as well. The Dow, we're still just hanging out at this resistance here at 43,148. Potential of inverse head and shoulder on the weekly, but we can just as easily break above it and break through, no problem, as long as we're setting daily higher lows. Not as much room on the Dow for a daily higher low, but still lots of room at this point. Let's see where we're at. Still, we're at 1.8% above this resistance here. The Russell still in this tightening range. This is going to break here very soon. 4-hour equilibrium. A big move is coming to the small cap names on the Russell. We've just got the 8 and 12 moving average catching up. We did break above this previous resistance here and bull flagging right away. At that point, it looks good. If I was to guess, I would guess that this would break bull, and we see another bull flag come from that. All right, so nothing big to report. Let's see, all-time high names. How many we get? 51 names. I haven't even gone through them all. I've been so busy today. But yeah, I'll be checking through those and setting my alerts for tomorrow. It's very possible that tomorrow we see consolidation. Start seeing our daily a little bit more consolidation. And I would welcome that as well. I would very much welcome daily consolidation buying at this point, because we are above the 8 and 12 moving average on everything. So it looks good. I'm not going to go too in depth with names actually, because yeah, I'm kind of short on time. I'm just kind of giving a little update. Pltr still pulling back. We're in a 4-hour downtrend, but not a lot of follow through on this 4-hour downtrend, and we did recover quite a bit. So this could be essentially a 4-hour inverse head and shoulders at this point. That's kind of a neckline here. And we are just bull flagging on the daily anyways. Lots of room for a daily higher low than 105. APH, another name on top watch, just equilibrium at this point. 4-hour equilibrium. Actually, this is pretty choppy. That's pretty choppy. As long as we are above the 8 and 12 though, this looks good. I definitely have my alerts on this one as well. Uber still hasn't even started daily consolidation yet. CRWV, this was a huge jump here on this name. So we were up 11 11.25%, and we closed with a big indecision candle, basically a big doji with pretty heavy volume. So we're probably going to see an inside bar, I would assume, tomorrow, just with such a huge range. I would just assume, doesn't have to happen, just depends on where. If we open towards the middle, I would assume that we're going to dry up with volume and we'll see a tightening range kind of form from there. IBM still hasn't started daily consolidation. So much room for a daily higher low. Still top watch. Very good. QBTS, quantum computing, huge volume. We have a big upper wick on this though, so that gives me caution. We are just setting an hourly, trying to set an hourly higher low at this point, so that looks good. Hourly bull flag. I mean, still looks good. Any trading above this previous resistance, all-time high here, is perfect, is good. We could leave this gap. We could gap up again tomorrow. And this is what I was saying back here when we were down at the 13. We could easily start seeing a massive move from here. And I missed the move. That's fine. I would still buy a pullback. JCI still hasn't started a good daily consolidation, just a daily inside bar, just a tightening range. Most names are just tightening ranges at this point. Visa, inside bar, same thing, tightening range. RTX, inside bar, tightening range. Monster actually got above new all-time high close, still looking very good. Nflx closing at the high, trying to confirm this daily bull flag at this point. This is where the big moves happen. We're seeing big moves happen here. Microsoft inside bar closing closing towards the high, right underneath all-time high, is looking good. And that's all I'm going to go for this. Those are the strongest names. Those are the ones I want you to keep your focus on. AVGO is okay as well, and Spotify is actually pretty good too. It's right inside bar, right at all-time highs. Yeah, those are the most important ones. So those are the ones I want to review and going into tomorrow. All right, see you tomorrow for another recap, and I will see you then. Bye.